Hello, welcome to my channel. Now that the children are back in school, so I decided to make some nice lunchbox fullers that they can enjoy at their lunch break. When my children was at school, they always used to look forward for the lunch break. The 10 o'clock bell was their favorite. So I'm going to share some quick ideas, and I also know there's many children that watch me, so most likely they can help themselves in making their own lunch boxes. The first thing for our children, we think of the water bottle for their thirst. And then in another juice bottle, we can add in some lovely juice. These are cute little yogurt in different flavors that can be easily broken and served as individual with a plastic spoon. And not forgetting our fruits for them to eat. Here we have our apples that we cut and put some lemon juice so it doesn't go brown. There's also some healthy snacks, which is peanut and raisins, and they come in small packages, which makes it very easy to pack in their bags. And we also have energy bars. Then it's our sandwiches. We start off with the basic, which is cheese with tomato and lettuce. So here I grated cheese, put in slices of tomatoes with some black pepper and salt, and thereafter I put in my lettuce leaf. Next we have some fish cake with some lovely stripped carrot and a dip to go along with it. I'm using sweet chili sauce as a dip, but you can choose your sauce. Just be careful, some sauces do have high sugar. These are chicken Prego rolls, and Pranesh will link the recipe. This is made with chicken breast that we grilled out and added to a bun with mayonnaise and lettuce. Thereafter, we have a simple Cous Cous salad served with tuna and mayonnaise. We also showed y'all how to make a vegetarian version, which Pranesh will link to y'all. Lastly, we have an egg roti wrap, which I fried out with onions. Chilies is optional, and we added salt and pepper to it. We put our egg into a roti with mayonnaise and made it into a wrap. These are quick recipes to fill up your lunchbox. But don't forget, we have other recipes on the channel, which is falafel, chicken strips, chicken burgers, and many other recipes that can make an interesting lunch box for your child. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.